Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to do something fun. I want to recreate hairstyles from a YouTuber that I've been watching. I've been binging her videos since yesterday. I watched a couple yesterday and a couple today and I actually love her, and her hair growth is inspiring. And because I'm approaching 2 years, I wanted to recreate her hairstyle. She did a video called Recreating Hairstyles from a Year Ago. I think she was almost at the 2-year mark when she did this video. So let me just go to her YouTube library just to make sure. Her name is Georgia Zarita. I will link her channel in my description box. Just before her 2-year Sisterlock anniversary, she uploaded the recreating hairstyles from a year ago, and her hair is beautiful. Her growth is astounding. And so I wanted to do something fun. I hope it's okay. I'm gonna use her video to do this video, but I thought it would be fun to see. She mentions a lot that her hair grows really fast. I think I'm a regular grower. I'm not necessarily a slow grower, but I don't know for sure. This is me recreating her styles at the heels of my 2-year anniversary. Okay, so first style. Let me just start the video. Okay, so first style is the middle part. Like simple middle part, nothing else. So I never wear a middle part because I don't like how my hair looks with my hair parted in the middle. Usually when I first retighten my hair, she puts a middle part because she separates my hair like that to retighten it, but I really don't wear my hair like that after that day, or even on the same day. I just move my hair as this on the side part or side sweep, and it gives me a little bit of a volume that first day because so my hair is 2 or 3 weeks old right now. I had an appointment on December 19th. I think that's 2 weeks. I can't see what I'm doing because I'm using my viewfinder as a mirror, and I'm sure my autofocus is going wild on me. I should have locked it. Let's see. So this is the middle part, and this is what it looks like with my hair. And I'm going to take my mirror. Do I have a mirror? I'm just going to check my part to be sure. So how's my part? It actually doesn't look bad. So this is what my hair looks like, and with the middle part. So I would never wear my hair like this because just doing that right now, I'm really hot. I tell my husband, I don't know if Sisterlocks is for me because I can't stand the heat that it generates on my head. My hair is absolutely not the same length as hers at the almost exact time in my journey. So this is me 22 months in. So she might have been 23 months in, but the difference is like massive. Her hair is like longer than if I stretch my hair. Oh, and I actually never stretch my hair. So maybe that would be a different, like maybe if I stretch my hair, because she says she braids her hair every night and her hair is always stretched. My hair is never stretched. I don't know if that makes a difference. Really long, but okay, go to style number 2. Okay, style number 2 is 2 puffs. I would never do this, so I'll see what I can do. So just go down my middle and part my hair and see. I guess they're high, those pigtails, right? What are they called? Pigtails? Ponytails? What would they be called? Pigtails? If there are 2 of them. Okay, this is really hard. Put on my hair like this. Oh. Okay, so let's see if I can tie it. Okay, first with this, just to see. I'm just gonna loop it twice because I really can't be bothered. Okay, so this is I found the style actually in the beginning was easier. My hair was finer, the locks were finer, so they would like easier to style and put up into like weird styles, and I did that. But just for like staying home, like I never went out with my hairstyle like that. Just at home when I was hot, I would put it up in like a little bun with two pigtails like this. So the back is too short to stay. I really don't like it personally. So let's try to tie this aside. This is the size of my little two pigtails. The back was, yeah, I was able to put the back in the thing. This is one side. Second side. So yeah, my hair is also in layers, and this side is different, but I don't know if it's because I put them differently. This side looks different from that side. The next style that she did was a ponytail with the bangs, the parted bangs. So let's see. Okay, so what she did was she styled her hair, and then she pulled some locks in the front and did the bangs. So let me do that. I barely tie my hair in ponytail. I feel like doing this kind of, but the half up is fine, so I should be okay. But like it's a lot of work. My mic is okay if I put it too high. So this side and this side. So I don't want my hair too tight. I'm going to use a tighter elastic just because. Okay, so my ponytail is up. My side locks are not cooperating as usual. Alright, so let me just take the hair from the front. That's a look. This is a look. What do you think? So this is what that style looks like. So let's just compare the ponytail. This is what mine looks like. Bangs. Yeah. Next, the other side. Definitely. The side is cute, but I could never have bangs on my face like that, so they would probably go like this. Probably something like this. But the little middle part here is cute, so I don't know, maybe a middle part ponytail. Let me check the next style she did. The next one is the half up, half down, which is my staple right now. I do this every day because it's easy, it's cute, and it's off my face. And I love it. So this is what mine looks like. And you saw it in the beginning, that's what I had. So half up, and I really just, that's it. That's what I do. Usually I don't touch it, I just put it up and that's it. But I'm trying to fix it with YouTube. Because it just falls like naturally after a few minutes, depending on how your hair is. I never spin my hair, I never do anything, so it just like falls on its own and it just decides how it's gonna look. Most of the time I like it. This is my half up staple favorite. Still love it. This is it. This is my half up. That's it. Okay, next one. Okay, so the last style she tried was 2 flat twists and then a side part. The side part was my favorite style for months, but yeah, I don't wear it as much now because it's a lot of hair on my ears, on my neck, and I'm hot a lot. But I'm trying to fix that situation with me losing weight, maybe. I digress. So let me see how my side part could be so I can have 2 flat twists. Let's see if I do this like that. Okay, so I'm using my little mirror to check my part just because I can't really see. Okay. Okay, so this is the part. Let's see now if I can flat twist. I can't really do styling. It's like something that it's really not my thing. It's not my forte. It's not my talent. I actually don't know what my talent is, but I'm not really good at doing hair. And that's why I think this is the best time for me. Okay, so put that out of the way. Now let's see if I can flat twist. I don't think this is working. Okay, so let's see. And the second one. Oops. Okay, so the second one. It's actually easier than like flat twisting like natural hair. I can tell you that. Because you just go over the grid to take the hair. And if you don't forget any on the way, you are good to go. All right, I forgot here. And the elastic that one too. Wait, this is amazing. I just wanted to do fast videos. That's what I'm like. Alright. I think this is a lot of work for me personally, but I guess if you wanted to do something special, if you went somewhere and you know, it's cute actually. Let me just straighten that. So just to give you an idea, I don't think I did it right. So this is what it looks like. Let me try to see it with my mirror if I can see. The idea is good. Execution, poor, but it's a nice style. Actually does help in pulling off the hair off my ear. So on this side, I feel like it's not as hot. This side, I would have to do something like maybe a like braid. But yeah, the hairstyle was not bad at all. Well, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope it was okay for me to do this comparison. It was really interesting to see how much her hair grew so much more. I started with 8 to 10 inches. My loctician did not cut my hair before starting my locks, although my hair was damaged as well. And I also had thinning here in the crown area, which is coming along really well. The crown length is, my God, my crown has never been this long. And so I want to thank you guys for watching. I want to thank all my new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing. Still trying to grow this channel. I just want to give my experience as maybe an example for people who have fine hair. And now with these Sisterlocks, they look wonderful. They look full, they look thick, and I couldn't have asked for better. I am really happy with my hair, and I want to shout it for everybody who is trying to find an alternative. Thanks for watching.